as the Municipal Mayor of Samoguita, I now declare Patsadang Pasko 2024 open.
All right, thank you so much, Mayor Jonathan Venus. Let's all give ourselves a big round of applause, and truly, let's celebrate Christmas as one Sambuangan family in our Patsadang Pasko Christmas Village.
All right, we are down to the official countdown. All right, Samoguita, this is Patsadang Pasko 2024. Our countdown in 10, 9, everybody, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Merry Christmas! Kita!
All right, ngayong Pasko ka natong tanan o good man, Paksada! Ang Pasko sa Samoguita to the local government unit handed the force by our dearest municipal mayor, Mayor Chona Pataviles. Together with Vice Mayor Kalika Lino Sr. and our local legislators. Daghang salamat sa mga heads of offices, barangay captains, barangay officials, our SK officials, and all of you for making this Paksada Pasko sa Samoguita a remarkable one.
Let's have fun and the growing spirit among all of you. Come on, ready mag-picture. Everything is Instagrammable. Ready mag-selfie. You all deserve to be happy. You all deserve this Christmas tree coming from your local government unit. Merry Christmas, Samoguita!
And since Christmas is also the spirit of giving, as promised, ladies and gentlemen, a while ago, lamang apod-apod si Mayor Aviles sa ato mga barangay captains o manino ating kapasalamat. Yes, so that's what we would like to call it our barangay officials. Let's begin with our